We all know how powerful a sneeze can be, but did you know it can travel up to 100 miles per hour? When you sneeze, your body releases air and mucus at an incredible speed. This can cause droplets to travel up to 6 feet away from you, making it important to cover your mouth and nose to prevent the spread of germs. But why is a sneeze so powerful? Well, it's because of these muscles in your chest, abdomen, and diaphragm contracting to expel the air and mucus. This sudden release of pressure creates a sneeze that can even rattle nearby objects. Sneezing is a natural and important bodily function that helps to clear the nasal passages of irritants and prevent the spread of germs. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember to cover your mouth and nose to appreciate the power of this fascinating bodily function.